Going on YouTube? Just letting the birds do their thing. They were out flying. Come on guys, let's go. There's about 70 pigeons, 68, 70 birds. Look at this, guys. Where is it? Let me see. Let me find something. Birds molted out pretty good. Look at this beauty. Look at this. Ready for the races. Ready. Ready as can be. Yeah, go fly around. There's still birds from like third, fourth round, but it is what it is. Come on, guys. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Look at this beauty. This is when we have to be vigilant and give the birds dewormer. You know, I'm pretty sure raccoon, mouse, field mice, foxes, rabbits, skunks, possums, everybody walks behind here. That's all I got is nothing but woods. You know, chipmunks, squirrels. I'm pretty sure they all walk over here, sniff out the birds and do their bathroom duties, and the birds are over here picking up a cycle of worms, and all of a sudden, you know, you got worms. So just gotta be vigilant. You gotta understand, and if you allow your birds to do what my birds are doing, you know, this is what birds like to do. This is what it's in their nature, to forage the fields. You know, that's what wild birds do. And it's in their blood. This is what they like to do, you know. So it's good. Every 3 months, hit them up with a dewormer. That's all I do. These birds haven't been medicated for 4 years now. 4 years, 4 or 5 years, medication free. I will do the vinegar, honey, garlic, lemon. That's what I'll give them. And the dewormer, PMV, vaccinations. And that's it. It's relaxing, you know, see the birds doing this kind of stuff. Look, I got 2 droppers that can't fly. What are you guys doing? Can't even fly. Come on, come on, come on. I don't like it when they come over here and start picking these leaves on these plants. It's not good for them. They tend to throw up. I got 2 droppers for this coop. You know, plus I got the rollers. I got a white roller. I think that's a cockbird, so I gotta move him in here. Look at that nice little opal roller. Everybody's gonna breed on breeding day. Breeding day. Listen to me. On breeding season. So rollers, trumpeters, set nets. Look at all these birds. Look at all of them. the Alex Beach, original Alex Beach, right here. Look at that monster bird. Come on, guys. Come on. Birds look amazing. Come on. Look at I bred that set net. Broken beak. What's up, buddy? That bird's a champ. He's gonna go to the first race. She's going to the first race. If she makes it till then, she's gonna be my first pick. She's gonna go. She's gonna be one of them that'll be going to the race. The bird's a monster. I swear to God, she is. This is a granddaughter to the egg from Kenny White. I got the daughter to the, no, I got the son of the egg. I got a few reds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I should have a couple more. Yeah, there it is. 8. I think I have 9. I think it's 8 or 9. Probably the other coop over there. I mean, I'm talking about with that coop and this coop. Because in this coop I have 6 with broken wing. And over there I should have 3. Should. Maybe it's 2. I don't know. That's 38. That boy's gonna be nice. That boy's, look at this. Look at this. Look how beautiful that thing is. Complete. He's complete. He's gonna be my second pick. That red is gonna go. I already have, like, in my head who's going and who's not to the first race. This blue ball with the orange, my buddies, that's going. The splash over there is going. This dark checker, this big boy here, this guy, he's gonna go. Sorry, guys. Yeah, you can't fly, buddy boy. This red here is going. Look at this, is like a beautiful red. Look at that. That's amazing. The way she looks, she feels just as good. It's that good. It's that good. We got a little team flying. Little team going. We got some rollers flying. There we go, taking off. No worries. This one here is gonna go. So there's a few birds that I'm gonna go. There's so in the Boston Club we have the A race and the B race. So the A race is 20 birds you can ship. The B race is a 5 bird limit. So there's two releases different times. I think they're 40 minutes apart from each other. Half hour, 40 minutes, who knows. So the black one is gonna go. I might do all the reds for the 5-bird release. Who knows? Put it on a little show. One of my rollers. But I'm excited, guys. These birds already been out 58 miles twice. I'm gonna go one time to Springfield area where Six Flags is. That's gonna be like 80 miles to me, 80 something miles. So I'm gonna go there once with them. That's gonna be the week before the races. You know, that's where I'm gonna go with them. So, and I hope my buddy birds are ready to go as well, because I need to let these birds fly with other birds so they can you know, get at least one experience on breaking, coming home, trusting their own instinct, so they can learn that not everybody that's in the pack is coming to the same location. You know, they got to put that in their own little heads. When the pack starts to turn to go a different way, they got to be like, nope, this is how I got to go. But guys, that's it. This is all I'm doing here. Flying birds, relaxing. Like, subscribe, share, comment down below, guys, if anything. Let me know what do you think about the birds? Who should go to the races? I mean, you guys only really know about Broken Beak. And she's going, but we'll see. We will see. All right, guys. Bye-bye now.